Welcome back to Talk with Bawan. Now, tell me if this sounds familiar. You're scrolling through TikTok at 2 a.m. Don't lie, we all do it. And you see a 5-year-old doing a get ready with me. They have a more expensive skincare routine than your entire family combined. And they're explaining the benefits of vitamin C serum while you're still trying to remember to drink water. It looks like a dream, right? Viral fame, free toys, and millions of followers. But today, we're peeling back that filtered, aesthetic wallpaper to see what's actually happening behind the camera. Is it a dream life or a high-definition nightmare? Let's talk about child influencers. On the surface, it's all smiles and unboxing videos, but the life of a child influencer isn't just playing with toys. It's a 9-to-5 job, except there's no HR department, and your boss is also the person who makes your school lunch. Imagine being 3 years old and having your manager, aka mom, tell you that you can't have your nap until you get the lighting right for the sponsorship. Sorry, Timmy, we need 3 more takes of you enjoying this organic broccoli puff. Look, joyful. We're trading innocence for income, stolen childhoods for sponsored posts. Let's break down how this actually works using 3 models, the traffic light system. Model A is the green light. The child genuinely loves what they're doing, like sharing art or chess. Parents are just camera operators with healthy boundaries. If the kid says, "I'm tired," the camera turns off. Simple, rare, and wholesome. Now, the yellow light. Things get blurry. The kid liked it, but now it's a brand. Parents see dollar signs. Vacations become content trips. Pancakes aren't eaten until they're aesthetic enough. The kid has fun, but starts feeling the pressure. Finally, the red light. Pure exploitation. The child isn't a person. They're a product, forced into emotional vlogs for clicks. Parents drive the hustle, ignoring burnout. This is where we see the most damage. If you think I'm being dramatic, let's look at the headlines. Remember the 8 passengers family? Ruby Frank was a massive parenting vlogger who portrayed a perfect life online. But behind the scenes, it was a horror story of abuse and control. Or look at Lil Tay. Her entire brand was built on a young girl flexing wealth and using aggressive language, later revealed to be orchestrated by her family members for clout. And then there's the case of Ren Eleanor on TikTok, a toddler whose mother posted seemingly innocent videos that were being saved and shared by thousands of predators in the saved folders. It's a digital minefield, and the kids are the ones walking through it barefoot.
Let's talk about the other things. What happens to a child's mindset when their worth is tied to likes? Their social communication becomes performance-based. They don't learn how to make friends. They learn how to engage an audience. And we have to address the elephant in the room, sexualization. Even if a parent thinks a video of their kid in a swimsuit is just cute, the internet is a dark place. Algorithms don't have morals. They push content to whoever watches it. By putting their kids in flashy vlogs, parents are unknowingly, or sometimes knowingly, putting them at risk of being sexualized by strangers.
The results? Legal battles, tax probes on kid earnings, and mental health lawsuits for anxiety and depression when these kids grow up. So how do we protect them? Coogan Laws. In the US, some states require parents to put a percentage of the child's earnings into a trust they can't touch. We need this everywhere. Platform bans. Social media needs better age gating and stricter rules on sharenting. The why test. Parents, if you're posting your kid, ask yourself, is this for my ego/wallet or for their future? If the answer is even 1% wallet, put the phone down. At the end of the day, empathy beats the gamble. Fame is fleeting, and the trending sound of today will be forgotten tomorrow. But a child's mental health? That's for life. Let's prioritize the child's well-being over the breakdown of the algorithm. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment about what topic I should cover next. And remember, be real, not just vlog real. This has been Talk with Bawan. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.